Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal in Valorant. Using PayPal for your Valorant purchases is a straightforward and secure process. It allows you to quickly acquire Valorant points, which are essential for unlocking exciting in-game content such as weapon skins, player cards, and the Battle Pass. This payment method ensures your financial information remains private, offering peace of mind with every transaction. To begin, launch your Valorant game client and log into your Riot Games account. Once inside, head over to the in-game store, which is usually accessible from the main menu. Here, you will find various Valorant point bundles. Select the amount of VP you wish to buy, then proceed to the payment options where you will choose PayPal to complete your transaction. After selecting PayPal, you will be securely redirected to the PayPal website. Here, you'll need to log in using your PayPal account credentials to authorize the payment. Carefully review all the purchase details, including the amount of Valorant points and the total cost, before confirming the transaction. Your Valorant points will then be instantly added to your in-game account. If you experience any issues during your PayPal transaction, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies first, as this often resolves common payment glitches. Also, double-check that your PayPal account details are up to date and fully verified. If problems persist, do not hesitate to contact Riot Games support or PayPal customer service for personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.